Hello everyone, let's have a quick look at the market. As I mentioned, Bitcoin had been rejecting at this region for about 2 weeks now, and then ultimately the down move came. At the moment, still within the channel, not in my interest zone for longs, so I will again scale into more long positions at the lower end of this. I have a long order at 29,300 give or take, but my main orders will still be in this region. At least we should see a technical bounce unless there is some serious FUD. And for now, I'll just watch the price action over the weekend and then probably take some new medium time frame positions early next week. Today will be the non-farm payroll data release and some other minor stuff. So I'm done for this week with trading. ETH, I got stopped out of my long, unfortunately. So I can get rid of these. The next region I'm interested in is the 1,800, maybe all the way beneath the majority of these wicks. So $1,750 to $1,800 is where I will set myself an alert. I do not have any buy orders in the system currently, and I will see how Bitcoin develops, as I think the majority of the market is just following Bitcoin. ADA failed to break out. Still not looking too bad. It's kind of in a ascending triangle chart pattern right now, so I will set myself an alert on this trend line, this 30 cents level, to catch the breakout to the top maybe. Otherwise, if it breaks down, I would assume that we are heading back to the 24-cent level or 22 cents, give or take. We set myself an alarm here too. EGLD, I hope anyone in the long position from back here either TP'd partially, as we were 50% into the towards the target, or has secured their position with a stop loss at break even at least. So similarly, we do see a trend here, but EGLD potentially already broke down, so just make sure to secure your position with a stop loss. It's not worth taking the risk if Bitcoin breaks down further and loses the price channel. This will dip harder back into this region at the very least. Phantom, yeah, rejected for now. Potential targets are the liquidity, or we will either get a double bottom or grab some liquidity from these regions. Let me mark that. 25 cents, 23 cents, that would be where I would be looking for longs. So if we think of this as a spring, ideally you do not want to see this low taken out anymore. So price should stay above 21.4. So this could be a retest and then take off from there towards 40 cents, 45 cents, and your stop loss could be placed at around 20 cents, because if price dips that far, this whole thing is not done yet. And I mean, worst case, you can get wigged out and then you will get another retest, another re-entry. That's how I would play it for now. So I'm not interested in weekend moves, but I will set myself an alarm and check the charts once the alert triggers. It's a good risk to reward. Again, a lot depends on Bitcoin. I do not think that these chain tokens will announce any super exciting projects that will make people flock to them in the near future. But technically speaking, we could be looking at an area of interest here for sure. MATIC has actually been quite strong compared to some other coins. Also in an ascending triangle formation here. My alert is set at 73 cents, so I'm waiting for a breakout. If the breakdown occurs similar to the other chart, I would expect liquidity to be taken beneath 60 cents, maybe even under this double bottom at around 55 cents to 50 cents. So basically get a fill of this wick. Currently not so interested in MATIC, only after the breakout. If I see some strength, then maybe, but I'm not gonna try to catch knives here. This is also a bear flag, depending on how you look at it. So I will be patiently waiting for either the break up or the breakdown, and then I will look for a change in market structure and the bottoming out before I get interested in longing. XRP broke down from the bear flag back into this 45-46 cents area, and notice the double bottom here. So I think it is quite likely that we will go ahead and grab some liquidity under 45 cents from here. So maybe 44 or 43.3, but I would not try to catch knives here. This has been in a downtrend, and until we see a change in market structure or potential change in market structure, meaning at least a high above around 50 cents, there is, unless you are taking a DCA kind of approach, there is little conviction for any longs at this point. But if we get into this sell side liquidity area at around 40 cents and below the long-term trend line here, then definitely it would be an area of interest, and I still have my orders in there waiting patiently. Okay, that's it for this week, and I'll see you again either next Monday if I can squeeze in an update, or otherwise Wednesday the latest.